Myself, Devraj Sharma. So looking for the Thermaltake business across India and covering East India, North India, West India, and some out of South. Okay, and pan India distribution, we are taking care of Thermaltake business in India. Okay, so now here at Computex, we are there. Okay, and it's a very big exhibition for the IT industry as well as the gaming industry. Okay, so here we can look for the new technology from Thermaltake side, okay, which we are introduced in coming days. Okay, so first of all, we can cover with the new cabinets, and then we cover air liquid coolers, and then power supply, and then this simulator business also. Okay, so let's go through on the cabinet. This is a Expo X cabinet, and it's a dual machine. If you're talking about, it's a multitasking desktop. Okay, you can use this desktop for the multi-purpose. One is support of the Intel's motherboards as well as the two cases with the two system, because now end customer using the multitasking uses personal use for the enterprises use on reflectors, stuff like that. Okay, so here you can use as a desktop. You can utilize all the solutions. Okay. Now you can see about the new retro series of cabinets. Okay, this is a old type of cabinets, but you can see the as per the customers' demands, we have planned about the retro series of cabinets. Okay, this cabinet shows about the top 360 coolers with the uniqueness of the liquid coolers, and the fans are okay, and it's built about you can see the live temperature showing in the this liquid coolers. It's very different kind of coolers. Liquid coolers. We can as a which end customers want something different and looks, and then old type of things. So we are introduced here, and you can see these cabinets. It comes extra as about the LCD one. You can purchase the LCD, and you can establish this cabinet. Okay, looks wise bit different compared to others. Okay. This is new cabinets coming with maybe like next quarter. Okay, you can see the stage 500 model, and the same thing is 5 ARGB infinity fans coming. Okay, and looks wise is very different. You can see he's supported the LCD 6.2 inch. Okay, and this curved glasses finishing is good. Okay, and this motherboard 8 inch you can support. Okay, and same thing, combination about Pack 450. That one is a curved glasses. If this one is normal glasses, and support AX 8 support of this. And then if I'm talking about the available in again, I'm talking about the next quarters. Okay, onwards. So this black and white combinations are available. Now, yes, as per everyone, the gaming segment is to be a very high because my memory SD price are very high, is increasing rapidly. I say about the gaming segment, but here Thermaltake gives you new servers of cabinets. It's a very big one. Okay, dual processors, dual motherboards, dual graphic cards. You can use in one cabinet. Okay, and you can see the model numbers AX1 You can see here the best part about the drives. You can support almost 12 drives immediately, same thing in the same cabinet. and it's server based. Any motherboards you can support here. Okay. And if you want to increase your hard drive base, you also increase your. It's available in black and white. Okay. And this is coming with
This can use as a server or a gaming.
yeah. Gaming is not kind of that, so it's basically make for the server's partners.
Server partner.
Yeah. Because where hard drive you can use a maximum. Okay, that's a
Small server you need any mini or SMS office.
So now coming with Thermaltake of the new power supply Titanium series. Platinum series 3200 and 2450 watt. But you know some process about the BIS we are waiting for the approval from government side. You can see the liquid process of the per server base. Okay, it supports about AMD 30% supports SP5, SP6. Okay, and Intel's 4670 socket also support. This is a new AW 420 liquid plus 130 mm for 3 tons. Okay, and it's purely based for the performance liquid coolers. Again, it supports Threadripper as well as the Intel 4670, 4677 and 4710 socket we can support here.
Workstation.
This comes with a 420 mm and 360 mm.
Workstation is coming up. It's coming up more. So this will be an AI over cooling CPU cooling system. Okay. And
about the power supply. This top power supply is based about the requirement of end customer size. You can see, I think I'll show you for the why we are different than others. Okay. As you see, this is a 12 volt power supply, and as per the demand from end customer side or with the uniqueness of Thermaltake, we introduce a new dog power supply, and you can see here in coming days all the power supply as per your requirement for the pin you can step here. Okay, and then you can use this you can see here, the socket is here, you can dial directly. If in your future, if you for example any end customer have a 850 watt with us and he need to upgrade his power supply because of its necessity, so you can immediately, you can only, this is the same, you can plug, you can buy new power supply and you can plug it. Your system is immediately powered on. Okay, that's the best part from Thermaltake side. Is available.
Is it patented for the
Thermaltake? Yes, it's patented for Thermaltake. And
is the patent?
Okay. So, in coming days, Thermaltake introducing Trio series of liquid cooler, ST series of with 6-inch for 3. You can see here. The stock is available maybe next quarter onwards. Okay. So we are planning in a big way because this kind of dimension is only from Thermaltake side. Okay. And as you know, Thermaltake based on the inventions with the new quality and the uniqueness. Here is the example about from the others. Okay. If you can see here also ST360 Pro Ultra is available with a 6.6 inch display with black and white is available. Best part about the liquid coolers about the is RPM fan speed almost 2500 per 2500, and then it's the CFM fan. I think maybe approx more than 80 plus. Okay, so that is the major part where you can your CPU cooled very fastly, and the performance of the cabinet, performance of the your gaming PC is improved immediately. So this is the best part from the Thermaltake side. Okay. About the new liquid coolers, yes, we are introducing here VF360 ST AI liquid coolers. You can see the design and performance. If I'm talking about the fan speeds and CFM are same as compared to others, but the looks are different. You can see the CPU block is very different. Okay, so this is coming with a new coming days. Coming days you can come coming days coming. Okay, and this is a wooden type of performance liquid coolers where is inbuilt about the, you can see the wooden part also. And if end customers require for this something different, and for you can see the performance one without RGB, so this liquid coolers is available for its purpose. Case fans for the any cabinets. Okay, first of all, it's available CTEX Infinity. So I have fan EX Infinity. So I have fan Unit fan, and then so I have an EX Infinity. I just give a demo. Okay, how we can different we are different than others. You can see it's available with 120 and 140. You can see the attachment looks quality, and then his ring rod looks is different than others. It's available about the 120 mm and 140 mm. His pack of 3 is coming. Okay, and then this is a 140 mm EX fan. It is. See, this will come with 140 mm fan. And best part is that every pack of case. Okay, this is coming with a pack of 3. It's coming with the extra fans, with reverse fans coming. Okay, no one is provided. So only Thermaltake can provide it with the along with the pack. Same here about the same fan looks the same, but it's a wooden type of fan. Okay, you can see the wooden is as per the demand of market. We are ready to supply. Okay, same here EX1. Best part is that immediately and its connectivity about the magnetic form is very strong. This coming with the Swire fan Ultra 120 EX ARGB. It's better fan. You can see the his side one. Okay, you can modify it as per your logo, as per your any font type or something, movie type. You can upload over there. Okay, you can see here. Okay, and it's a full view 370 cabinet. You can see that THV3 Ultra liquid cooler is post here, and then you can see the Thermaltake logo is here, and this is a Swire fan Ultra, and we can show the better part about the logo as well as any kind of contest you can post here through TT RGB. Starting with in coming days UX 200 for 600 normal mesh with dual fan. Okay, and then UX 600 S is dual fan with a temperature show, and then UX 600 Ultra coming with his own display, his own logo. You can post and you can paste here through the Thermaltake TT RGB software. Again, I'm talking about the liquid coolers because, as you know, Thermaltake is based very popular about in liquid coolers, cabinet, and the power supply. Now this is ST360 Ultra coolers. Now in India stock is available, and this is a very different from others because it comes with a 7-inch LCD display, and plus RPM fan is 2500, and CFM fan is approximately 780 plus. Okay, this is a good cooler for the any kind of CPU, Intel, AMD, where we can put immediate. Okay, because and best part about the 7-inch display. This is a number one. I mean, if I'm not
For more information, please visit www.ncnonline.net.